In French, there are expressions that we use frequently, but they're really hard to understand. Especially if you translate word by words, then it doesn't mean anything. The meaning doesn't make much sense. So let's see these expressions so you can also use them. My name is Sebastien. I'm French teacher. If you want to know my classes, if you want to start classes with me, check the link in the description. Comme quoi. If you translate literally, like what, doesn't make any sense. No, it means which proves that, which confirms that. La météo a annoncé de la pluie toute la journée et finalement, il n'a pas plu. Comme quoi, les prévisions météorologiques ne sont pas toujours fiables. T'inquiète. We use that one really a lot, but it is a short version. The verb is s'inquiéter, to worry. It is imperative in the negative form. Ne t'inquiète pas, but we drop the negative adverbs. So it doesn't mean that it becomes positive in a sense that, yes, do worry. No, because the form positive would be inquiète-toi. So the negative form remains t'inquiète, and we use that in a light way for really very small issues. Je dois partir maintenant, sinon je vais rater mon dernier train. T'inquiète. Le week-end, il y a des trains toute la nuit ou quelqu'un va te ramener à la maison. Tu t'en sors. So here the sentence is complete, but there is a subtlety. Sortir, to go out or maybe sort out. But we use an object pronoun, en. So that replaces a sentence with the preposition de, meaning sortir de ici, sortir d'une situation. So to get out of here or out of a situation. And the verb is reflexive. Se sortir de. So here the meaning is, I'm asking if you figure out by yourself the solution to the problem or the situation. Tu t'en sors. It is very similar, se débrouiller, to figure out something. Je fais ma déclaration d'impôt. Tu t'en sors ou tu as besoin d'aide? Ça se passe. This is also a short version. The complete question would be, est-ce que tout se passe bien? Se passer, reflexive verb, it is to happen. I use it in a short way. Ça se passe in a sense of, is everything happening good? You know, it's very similar to greetings. Salut, ça va? Ça va. I'm not asking like, how is everything going? Just, is it going? And you can reply the same way. Ça va? Ça va. So here, same thing. Ça se passe? Ça se passe. Two expressions here, but they are linked together. So, tant mieux, tant pis. Mieux means better. So, not to get confused with meilleur. Meilleur, it also means better, but that's the adjective with a noun. Better with a verb. So, the adverb is mieux. Je vais bien, je vais mieux. Je parle bien français. Je parle mieux français maintenant que je prends des cours. So here we have the adverb. The full sentence could be c'est tant mieux. So there is a verb. What about tant now? Tant comes from autant, as much as. The difference here is that autant, it is a comparison. J'aime la cuisine indienne autant que la cuisine thaïlandaise. So I like Indian cuisine as much as Thai cuisine. Tant, it is almost the same thing, but there is no comparisons. So in a way, is that it is so much. It is really important. So much. J'aime tant la cuisine indienne. I like Indian cuisine so much. So here, tant mieux, we use it when the result of something is even better than expected. La météo a annoncé de la pluie toute la journée et finalement, il ne pleut pas. Tant mieux, je vais sortir me promener. And then, tant pis, that's the opposite. Pis, it is an ancient form of pire, which means worse. So we use that in a negative sense. That's too bad. Les billets du concert des Rolling Stones sont trop chers pour moi. Tant pis. Tant pis pour le concert. Tickets are too expensive. Too bad. Too bad for the concerts. And the last one, fallait pas. Again, it is a short version for il ne fallait pas. It is negative, and we have the verb falloir. That verb can be difficult to understand, but I have a whole video about it. We use this verb really often, so I advise you to check the video and learn how this verb works. Present tense, il faut. This is a general obligation, not pointing anyone. This is a general thing to do. But here the conjugation is imperfect tense. Il ne fallait pas. Something that was not required, that was not mandatory. For instance, you are invited by friends for a dinner. And you bring a bottle of wine or you bring a dessert. And your friends, well, seeing you, they say, fallait pas. Which means it is positive because it means that, well, there were no obligation to bring something. Your friends were not expecting anything and it is a nice surprise. That's even better. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. See you in the next one.